If your hosting a website is not showing in Google search, follow these steps to fix the issue and improve visibility. Check if your site is indexed. Go to Google and search for the following. If no results appear, your site isn't indexed yet. Submit your site to Google Search Console. Go to Google Search Console. Add your website and verify domain ownership through Hostinger. Submit your sitemap to help Google crawl your site. Make sure the site isn't blocked. In your website files, check the robots.txt file. Ensure it doesn't contain disallow, which tells search engines not to index your pages. In WordPress, go to Settings, Reading, and uncheck Discourage search engines from indexing this site. Optimize your site for SEO. Add keywords, meta titles, and descriptions to your pages. Ensure your content is valuable and includes relevant search terms. Use SEO tools like Yoast or Only One SEO if you're on WordPress. Be patient. Indexing can take days or weeks. Keep your content updated and share your site on social media or other platforms to increase traffic.